My brother Andy and I are staying right on the beach at the Viking Nature Resort. We got a private beach bungalow for $15 a person, and Andy said he'd sleep outside in a hammock. What a gentleman. Hopefully the iguanas don't eat him in his sleep, but I think he'll be okay.
What did you find there? Little iguana.
All joking aside, it was a pretty sweet location. And in case you were wondering, yes, there's air conditioning.
It's 100 degrees out there, but we got beer in the mini fridge.
Each beer will cost you $1.84. We're eating lunch at the Viking Hotel restaurant. We split morning glory and mango sticky rice. We spent $3.50 each. And if you feel like an after-dinner massage on the beach, the Viking Nature Resort has you covered. $12 for an hour.
Just relax. Yeah.
And relax we did, all the way until sunset. And then we went right back to the restaurant because they had free food for happy hour.
Free coconut chicken soup.
It's actually pretty good, and it's free, which is even better.
To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.